The production method is the way in which a society organizes economic activities like resources, services, and distribution. Marx thought that these methods were the fusion between the production relationship, which refers to social relations, power, government, control, and social classes, and the production force, which refers to the human work, the knowledge, and technology used in a product. Marx used that concept to explain the production methods and classify them. He described it as a way in which people get related with the material world and with other people. It is necessary to consume and to produce to survive, and that is the way in which people create relations.
Primitive community. This mode of production was the first way the man could meet his needs. They didn't have private poverty or exploitation, they only depend on natural. Slavery. In the labor exploitation applied to men by the man stating the division of social classes, by setting the private poverty and opening a new and important economic and social factor called money. Capitalism. Capitalism is the last mode of production which is based on the exploitation of man and the property, replacing feudalism, which has been an organization divided into two social classes, the bourgeoisie and the proletariat. In addition to behind the capitalism owns the means of production. When the class of the proletariat are those who have no resources, they are forced to sell their labor power to capitalism, giving work with salary.
Some advantages are that they reinforce the trend of exchange and encourage trade. It comes to Europe a lot of precious metals. Other advantage is the innovation. This consists on that employees are constantly innovation their products in order to be the best in their field. Other advantage is the proper use of resource. The capitalist mode of production leads to bottom use the resource because in this form of economic system more efficiently will mean many more benefits.
Disadvantages of methods of production. Talking about the environment and the consequences that can bring with the methods of production, we can find a lot with the exploitation of raw materials and the short use life of the products. Then is the programmed obsolescence on technology, and the most of the products makes that we consume more and more, causing more damage. Talking about solutions for the people who live in the most vulnerable and underdeveloped countries, the globalization has transformed into something harmful to the society. Nevertheless, we can take advantage of globalization through some solutions and benefits that globalization comes with, like reduce the product's costs or improve their quality, getting a better and a flexible trade, and saving some problems like the working child and the poverty of the lower social classes. In conclusion, we think that all the methods of production are bad for the environment in every way, because these methods can have advantages, years of development. But talking about the economic way, they can grow and grow, creating benefit for all of us, but it is good just for short time because when the raw materials ends, we can't go back.